It's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East run. Used to drive the Nissan, and she in a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner. And I heard that Beamer was a loner. Her old man the owner. And I don't even drink Coronas. What type of drink?
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Day, and I'm back with another video. Anyways, I'm in a rush, so I gotta hurry up and do this. But I'm finna prank my little brother. So I bought some fart spray a long time ago, because I was supposed to do this a long time ago. And I'm about to take them to the car wash, and I'm gonna tell them my stomach hurting, and I'm gonna spray it while we in the car wash. So I'm gonna try to like hide the spray. I don't know how. I might just spray it on the floor of the car so they can see, and I might act like I'm looking for something. I don't know how strong it is. I don't even know what it smells like, so this gonna be my first time smelling it too. But anyways, it's gonna be two pranks in one, because I'm gonna let the windows down too while we at the car wash, because why not? And we just gonna get all their reactions. And also have my dog Poodle. I don't know where he at. Poodle, he back there, y'all. He back there somewhere. So he wanted to hop in the car, so Poodle's about to get pranked too. So right now I'm about to go to Five and Below when they come out of Kroger's, because I sent them in there to go pick up some stuff. I need to get a phone holder, because I'm not about to hold my phone, because obviously it's gonna make it seem like something up. So I'm gonna get a phone holder. I'm gonna tell them I'm vlogging though. They know I usually, they know. So I'm about to go to Five and Below, get a phone holder, do that. Then I'm gonna record, act like I'm vlogging and stuff. And then yeah, my stomach hurts, spray it, whatever, get their reaction. Hopefully I don't tee up on me or nothing. I don't wanna have to beat them up on camera or nothing. And yeah, I'm gonna let the windows down. Hopefully I could see good. I don't know. It's on one camera. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when we at the car wash. There go Poodle. He finna get pranked. Poodle. He finna get pranked, y'all. But alright. What's up, YouTube? So, I'm vlogging. We on the way to the car wash. I got my little brothers with me. And I got Poodle. Chunk the Deuce is up or something. Anyways, so we about to go to the car wash. I guess I'll just talk or whatever throughout the car wash. My stomach is hurting real bad. I don't know why. And yeah, you finna be on the way to the car wash.
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4PF, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some bitch or both. They look bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those.
Okay, y'all, so we just put up to the car wash. I'm out of town, thinking with my rounds. I got Poops with me. Let me see. I gotta click the button. You can talk to my vlog if you want. Ooh.
Please make a selection. Please hold to make payment.
Okay, I gotta ooh, Jesus, y'all, the wind is blowing my hair. Poodle, stop licking my arm. Anyways, let me use this card. I gotta pay for the car wash now. Okay, I gotta put my seatbelt back on. Y'all better not try to steal my card information, because I don't even know if I showed it. Fix my hair. Anyways, going through the car wash. It's a little pad. Y'all think I know what this is? Am I on the bag? Am I on the bag? Okay, now I gotta put the car in neutral. Sean, how was school? What are you talking about? Oh, y'all, dang, I almost broke. My foot was still in the brain. Why did the man just pull out his phone? Say the word. little purse back here?
Dude! What the fuck?
Yo, what the
No.
Let air it out. Air it out. It stains. Did you shit yourself? It's I'm about to jump off a cliff. I'm not playing. Let it out. Oh, my bad. My stomach hurts.
No, you shouldn't do this yourself, brother.
Sorry.
That's not okay.
It's up.
No, brother.
It do sting.
Yep. They lying, bro. You doing so much. Ah! I'm about to...
I'm sorry, my stomach hurt. I already told y'all
That has nothing to do with that smell. That's diarrhea.
that. My stomach is hurting.
Stop this car.
Why I gotta stop the car?
Do you care?
Do you not care about me? Y'all,
No, you need to go clean your drawers.
my drawers is clean.
No, they're not.
I told you my stomach hurt. It's a prank. It's a prank. He mad. Let me see your clothes. Sean, how do you feel about your first prank? Oh, this prank, it went perfect. I'm gonna have to edit this. Mama, if you watching this, don't mind them cussing, okay? Give them a little pass. Poodle, what you think? Y'all, this was hilarious. This was hilarious for real. My hair look a hot mess. I'm gonna have a good time editing this. Nathan, what you think about your first prank? He was screaming at me so hard, it hurt my feelings. Anyways, what do you think? Was that a good prank? I low-key, when I was letting Nathan window down, y'all, he was trying to roll his window up. You get a prank too? Anyways. Alright. So, the first prank going on the channel, my little brothers and Poodle. It's many more to come. Many more to come. But anyways, make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna post a lot more now. I look a hot mess and this light not good, sorry, but it's not even my car and I'm like making it stink real bad. That stuff stink. It stink for real. I have to keep spraying it a lot and it just hit me. How bad did it stink? How bad did it stink? It stink for real. Whoever made that product, y'all did a good job. I'm gonna use this stuff again for a prank. Y'all go purchase this fart spray. It's fart spray. He mad. Anyways, y'all go purchase this. It's really, it don't even smell like fart. It stank. It's beyond fart spray. I hope y'all can hear me too. The car wash is loud. Make sure y'all go purchase this.